Today, nearly 68% of all households in the U.S. own at least one pet. People who have pets will tell you the rewards of pet ownership include unconditional love and companionship. Numerous studies have shown that companionship and love from pets contribute to happier and healthier individuals and families. The Fairfax County Animal Shelter has all types of pets available for adoption. Some have fur, some have feathers, and you might even see some with scales. Sharing your life with an animal can bring lots of joy, but it's important to do your research and select the right pet for your home and lifestyle. While the saying, "different strokes for different folks," is true, when it comes to selecting the right family pet, there are many factors to consider for successful pet ownership. All pets are different in terms of care, feeding, behavior, cost, housing, as well as demands on your time. Here are a few important questions to consider before choosing a pet. Will you be able to live with pet hair, a litter box, or the occasional wear and tear caused by pets? If you have children, how will having a pet affect them? Will everyone in your home welcome an animal? If you rent, do you have permission from the property owner? How much space do you have inside your home? Enough for a pet enclosure like a crate or animal cage, or for the pet to roam? How much time do you want and need to spend with a pet? What's your activity level? Are you more of a couch potato, or are long hikes your thing? What kind of exercise does your pet require? And can you meet their needs? Does your pet require special equipment or environment to survive?
We really take a conversation-based approach to our adoptions process. So we just talk to people. What species would best fit their lifestyle, and then within that species, what individual animal are they most interested in potentially adopting? So we go through that animal's whole medical and behavior history and tell them everything we know about that animal. We encourage visitors to interact with the animal they're interested in adopting. So hang out with them, spend some time with them, get to know them a little bit before finalizing it officially. That includes bringing the whole family in to meet your pet, including kids. Anyone who's going to be living in the house with that animal should ideally meet the pet before the adoption happens. For dogs, we encourage people who have dogs at home already to bring their dog in to meet the potential new doggy sibling to see if they get along. We really have a comprehensive adoption package here at the shelter. So all dogs and cats are spayed or neutered and vaccinated as much as they can be for their age. So that includes rabies vaccination if they're older than 4 months, distemper and bordetella for dogs. We also heartworm test our dogs, and FIV and FELV test the cats. And all dogs and cats are microchipped, which is awesome. Our hope is that by having these conversation-based adoptions, that we set adopters and their new pets up for success by telling them all the information about the animal, behavior history and medical history, and that each pet is placed in a loving home.